That's so cute, right? Deciding to do this video, we did the toes. Like, look how glossy it is. Woo! All right, guys, so I just left CVS. I'm deciding to do this video because I did a shop on some makeup. I wasn't expecting to find anything, and I found some stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys what I got. I'm 100% driving like a deer is gonna pop out, and I'm so scared there will be one. Oh no. And there's like thunder and lightning out right now. There's like so much thunder and lightning. Oh my gosh, so fun. Can't you just use a different mouse for now?
Yeah, but I mean, I'd rather not.
You found the computer and the monitor.
Right.
Where's the computer?
This is the iMac.
Oh. All right. Hey guys, so let me turn on one light at least because it's very dark in here. I need tissue. But where is it? Oh, Kleenex. Oh, I used, now I feel bad that you can't see me on this side. Should we just do a whole setup? All right, so you guys know I went to CVS. My hair is getting on my nerves. Let me turn this one on. Wow, so much better. All right, guys, so you guys know that I went to CVS last night. It was thunderstorming. And it started raining like around midnight, I think. And yeah, it was a whole thing. So it's a wonder that I even had enough energy to do like all the things that I've done already today. So without further ado, so here's the same bag from last night. Without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so so for the first thing is, okay, I was with my daughter the other morning and she was looking at my feet. And I think she recognized that I am dehydrated. She gave me a look like you wouldn't even believe. So I was like, okay, look, I got one of the best products I know to moisturize my skin. I love the gel formula. This smells so good. And I love that it comes with that like protective seal. You guys see that it wasn't closed, that's what it was. But I love the Johnson & Johnson gel formula. This is the oil gel. Like, I feel like the product really gets through like that first layer of skin pretty good. I can actually bring that on down to the foot. I have something else on my feet right now. I showered last night and then I put on, to be honest with you, I put on the CeraVe facial moisturizer because it was available. It was like the only moisturizing product I had on the counter. If you're new here, we're in the middle of moving. We have come to a new home, but I haven't done any sort of like house tour or anything. You've not missed anything about the new place that I live, but things are just not organized. And I'm actually gonna get some help with that like in a few days. So hopefully I'll be able to give you guys like a proper something since I've been talking about moving and all that stuff. Like, hopefully I can give you guys, I just hit the table, sorry about that. Hopefully I can give you guys a little bit more insight on what, you know, how I'm styling things and things like that. We did the toes. Oh my gosh, why are they so dry? Okay, so toes are done. Okay, so for the next thing, I love kids being kids. And in saying that, like, my daughter is tiny, but she's a girl. I have to cut her nails a lot more because she scratches me, but she also scratches her brothers. And like, Blaze has a little scratch right here on his forehead, on his pretty little forehead. I know his sister did it. I'm gonna start putting cocoa butter, the body stick, just on their face. This should be easy to use. I can actually keep this in the car and just like right with it on their face before they go out, because when we're out, we're just out for hours. When Cash is at school, he's at school for hours. And I want him to be like moisturized. And also I just gotta, you know, stay on top of diminishing like scar possibility. So I got this for all the kids. It's for the kids. So this one says baby. I mean, you do what you want. If you are buying stuff for your home, you're going to use it for whoever you want to use it for, yourself, your husband, your kids, your extended family. This says baby. So it should be easy to use instead of just like having this in like my big purse or something like that. This is a small size and can fit compact in a purse. I don't have to carry around a huge something for the kids to stay moisturized, but this is more for like diminishing scars. I think cocoa butter is supposed to be really good at that. In the move, I've been able to keep up with like one headband. And if you've been seeing my content, like, you know, I wear headbands and I love the sporty kind. I like the thick one. I ran out. So I ended up picking up this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pack of very thick, it feels like cotton headbands by Scunsy, the brand. This says all hair, all day hold, no damage. They call them head wraps, but I just call them headbands. I don't know so much if I'm gonna wear this one. That's a lot for around my face, but the white one I'll need. I can't wait to wear the beige one. I don't think I've ever had like a beige one before. Let's go ahead and put one on, shall we? That way I can just sort of keep my hair back, and my hair is getting really long. I might cut it, I don't know, but I can focus on what's in front of me and I don't have to, you know, be pulling my hair out of my face all the time. So I always get like a 5-pack, so that helps me. And then in one of my recent drugstore makeup videos, I was talking about how, I think I cut it out because that video was getting long. It was like 19 minutes long or something. I was talking about how I met a woman at Target who said Elf or NYX, I can't remember which one. They had like the 2-part eyeliner where, well, let me just tell you, this is the Expert Liquid Eyeliner in Jet Black by Elf. She said the 2-part eyeliners were the ones that were the blackest and they stay the longest and all that stuff. So and by 2 parts she meant it comes apart like this. You have to dip this part into this to get liquid payoff and stuff. So ooh, that is jet black. Wow, it's pretty black. It's not dry yet, but look at that really fine tip too. I'm excited to try that. I used a liner today. It's the Seishu eyeliner stay-in. Yeah, I used a really nice eyeliner today. I also used my blush on my eyelid. I think it's working pretty good on my eyelid. Like, it's giving a little bit of color, which is what I wanted for my eyelid. And it was the easy way to do my makeup today. Just use 2 products to do, just use 1 product to do 2 things. Note. But yeah, I used the eyeliner stay-in by Seishu today. So good. I really like this, but I wanted to try this because I heard from that other girl that it was a pretty good product if you use like the eyeliner, the black eyeliner that pulls apart and you have 2 components. She said try that. And I had asked her, I'm like, she had a full face of makeup on. I was like, you look like you know what a good eyeliner would be. Let me know what a good eyeliner is in the drugstore. And I also got the e.l.f. Micro Fine Brow Pencil. Oh, I hope this color works for me. It doesn't look as dark as I traditionally get. This is deep brown. Yeah, it probably is as dark as I usually get. But yeah, as you can see, my hair is not black. Like, it's definitely brown. Like, this is black. This is brown. This will work. Like, I'm going to use it because I need eye pencils in my life. But I want to try it. This looked brand new and I love like the small tip. So we're going to try this e.l.f. Micro Fine Brow Pencil. It's the 1mm tip. It says waterproof and smudge resistant, fine hair-like strokes, smooth glide. And it also comes with that spoolie, that brush at the end. So you can brush before or after you use the pencil. So I'll be using that soon. I also got the e.l.f. Main Stain Lip Marker, yeah, I've been using a lot of stains lately. Today I used the Ulta Beauty Magic Marker Lip Stain. I like it. I'm not sure how, yeah, it's still on. That was hours ago. It's not intense, but my lips are still stained. Which one did I use? Where is it? Ulta Beauty Magic Marker Lip Stain. I used this one today. Ulta Beauty. And then this is, what color is it? Rose Goals. So yeah, it's more on the bottom. The top is still stained too. It did pretty good. But anyway, I'm into stains now. So I wanted to try this. Okay, so this is what the marker looks like. Let's see if it, I know I have all this like moisturization on my hand. Okay, yeah, that's right up my alley. It's a little bit warmer than the color I'm wearing right now. That's gonna be pretty. Okay. All right, and then I also got the number 4 candle. I might use this. It's nobody's birthday for like a long time in my family, so like I might use this. Just had to buy it. Anyway, so at school, I wanted my son to have sunscreen. I wanted him to be able to take something with him, and so that I could give to his teacher. And so this is the Sensitive Mineral Enriched Banana Boat Hypoallergenic 50+ SPF sunscreen. Easy to spray, really quick. Mineral sunscreen for the kids. My nail broke a couple weeks ago and I did not have a nail filer. I was so heartbroken. Now, I'm wearing like fake acrylic nails. I've been getting them done pretty often lately, and it broke like down the middle. I wonder if I have any footage of that broken nail. You guys, this nail filer, I would have to put it to work to have made that nail wearable, which is fine, but I just didn't have any filers at the ready. Like I said, we're in the middle of moving. Nothing's at the ready except for like throwaway paper plates and cups. So 1+ other dual-sided salon boards. These are necessary just to have in the house. And then sometimes like I've had emery boards before, like nail files, and I just don't like using the same old ones over and over. Like once I've used it a couple times, I feel like I need to throw it away because I'm just very, very weird with like skin. I'm not that person. I am into nursing, but I'm not into like dermatology. Anyway, I also got this really cute X+Y = Beauty lip gloss. This is so cute. Charmed lip gloss, strawberry. Hopefully it tastes like strawberry. Should we taste it? Let's open it up and taste it. Forget seeing how it is on the skin. Let's just taste it. But I thought this was cute because I have a super cute purse that I just got, and I want to put this on there. Okay, this is adorable. That's so cute, right? I love that. Okay, let's taste this. I've used X+Y = Beauty eyeshadows, but nothing else from the brand. So let's see how we like it. Okay. Wonder how long this will last. It doesn't taste like strawberries, but it smells like strawberry. So I appreciate that. Oh, is that everything? No, there's more. Oh, I got the Main Stain lip marker in another color. Well, this one that I haven't opened, this is called Hot Vine Black Cherry. And this is a Gone Garnet Red. And then the other one is Hot Vine Black Cherry. So probably just like a deeper color between like black and red. I tried Gone Garnet around this, huh? Dang it. I should have. One more lip product. I was so excited to see that the Cream Shop has these jelly glosses out. There was another brand that had some like lip glosses. What's it called? Tree Hut? I think it was Tree Hut. I didn't grab it because I was just like, I needed to go home. I didn't want to grab anything else. I couldn't fit anything else in my hands actually. So this is the lilac color. What's this called? Gloss Jelly by the Cream Shop. Tinted Peptide Lip Glaze. Okay, so To be honest with you, like if I'm gonna wear gloss, I usually like to wear it with like a lipstick underneath. I don't usually just wear gloss by itself. This is pretty. Let me see the consistency of it. Now, this smells like cotton candy. That smells nice. Okay. Yeah, this feels like a lip mask, really. That's masky. You can see it there. Okay. That's like a lip mask. I'm excited to use that. I'll put this by my bedside and use it tonight. That's everything from CVS Beauty that I ended up getting last night. I specifically went there to look for a new beauty, even though I feel like I've been doing so many makeup videos lately and just getting so many packages in the mail that I probably had everything already. And there were some surprising new things out that I had never seen before. I had never seen those things by e.l.f. And I actually really needed that sunscreen for my son and the cocoa butter for their skin, because I want to take care of their skin. I want to take care of my skin. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and let me know if you learned that anything is new in CVS that you are looking for, and I'll see you in my very next video. Bye.